Right now we're going to play Countdown. What you need for Countdown is a deck of cards, and you're going to use, for each player, ace all the way to 10. Ace is basically representing a 1. You need 2 6-sided die, and the object is to flip over all your cards. The catch is, if you roll an 11, you can use an 11 as a 1, or you can use it as 11. If you use it as an 11, there's no 11 on the board, so you can make any opponent flip over all of their cards. If you roll a double 6, then you have to, all the progress you've made, you have to flip back over. So we'll play. So you don't want to see a double 6. So I'm going to roll first. I roll a 3 and a 1. A 3 and a 1 can be 4, but it also can be 3 and you subtract 1, 2. So I'm going to play it as a 4. So I flip my card over.
I see an 11.
So you can play it as a 1, or you can make your opponent flip their cards back over.
Since you only have 1, I'll use it as a 1.
Oh, well, thank you. I wouldn't have done that to you. All right, so again, I've got 3 and 1. That could be a 4, or it also can be a 2. I already have my 4 flipped over, so I'm going to use it as a 2.
4 and 5 is 9. I'll use it as a 9.
2. I already used up my 2. And then I don't have a 0 as an option, so I don't get to go.
3 and 6 is 9, so I'm going to do 6 minus 3 is 3.
Yeah, because you already used up your 9, so. Oh, too bad. All right, so I've got an 8. I was like, too bad that wasn't. I'm going to flip over.
1 and 4 is 5.
I'm going to use that as a 7.
I cannot flip over.
You cannot?
No.
5 or a 3. I'd do it as a 5.
6.
Ooh, I've got 10.
7.
Don't get too comfortable. 8. I already flipped over an 8. I don't have a 0.
4.
Got an 8. And I can also use it as a 4.
8.
Uh-oh. Actually, has 2 more to flip over. 10 I've already flipped over, or 2 I've already flipped over.
I'm going to use, I can do it as a 6 or a 2.
Uh-oh. Ash just needs a 10. All right, so 7. Oh, hold on. A 7 or a 1. Oh, oof.
7, I already used.
So I need a 3, a 6, or a 9. I've got a 5. Oh, but it could be a 4. Remove 1 is 3.
4, I already used.
And it also can be a 2. 7, I already used. And 5, I already used.
9, I already used.
Oh, that's what I need. Now, if you have older children too, you can use this with multiplication and division. Since we're using this for first grade, we're just using addition and subtraction. So I need a 6 and a 9. You need a 10. I'm getting worried about rolling double 6s. Because you know what? Oh!
Sorry, I got a little aggressive.
So I just need a 9. Again, this all can
Cannot.
change if somebody rolls an 11 or double 6s. 7. I need a 9. 4 or a 0.
8 already used.
Ooh!
Good game.
Good game. And again, remember, the difference with this game is if you do get double sixes, you have to flip back over all your cards, or if you get an 11, you can make one of your opponents flip over all their cards. Again, you can play with 2, probably up to 6 players. Have fun.